a sneeze.
Huh? Escape a sneeze? What? Oh, a sneeze! How is that possible?
Yeah.
It's really over-exaggerated. Their face is all scrunched up and they look really funny. Germs!
You run away from someone sneezing?
Running backwards! Sneezing and running away.
The big nose follow running out.
We're running away from this really big monster. Huge nose. A nose? Just like run away from it. You're running away from someone sneezing.
Like your
That's
person.
sad. Kind of scary, right? Why would it be scary?
It'll be funny.
It'd be funny.
Might be funny.
Funny?
Be funny.
Funny.
Okay.
Funny. Psychologically, for the guy, it might freak him out a bit.
You'll like suck to have it yourself. I think that's the most embarrassing moment of their life.